Hello guys, welcome back to Cosplay Genie. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this Ravenclaw shield from Assassin Creed Valhalla game. Along with this tutorial, you can learn how to make this wooden texture on the EVA foam. It's a very useful technique for your future builds. So without taking any longer, let's get started.
First I draw the 24-inch diameter circle and 1-inch extra marking for the side strip on 40 mm EVA foam. Cut the 24-inch circle carefully. Now I have marked the area for small wood plank division. Divided it into 2.4 mm wide parts. Cutting slightly marked lines at 45-degree angle with the help of scalpel blade. Here is the base after cutting all the lines. Now I am drawing the wooden texture pattern. Now start sanding marked drawing patterns with the help of a small sanding drum in a rotary tool. Heat sealing after we create the wooden texture. Marking the 1-inch area on outer edge with the help of strip that we made earlier for shield frame. Applying contact cement on the marked area. Joining them together. Drawing the 7-inch radius circle for the boss part of the shield. 2-inch wide half round strip pattern for a 3D look. Sanding edges for joining together. Applying contact cement on the marked area. Joining them together. Marking the area for boss part. Applying contact cement. Joining them together. Drawing the triangle shape freehand pattern for rim detailing part. Press on EVA foam and cut out 8 pieces. First marking the center part. Applying contact cement. Joining them with rim parts. After sticking all the pieces. Now drawing the freehand brace part pattern. Press on EVA foam and cut out 4 pieces. Marking on shield. Applying contact cement. Joining them together. Added more details to the part of the braces. Here the front side of the shield is ready. Adding small size googly eyes on the boss for details. Made foam clay balls for rim details. You can use large size googly eyes. Sticking on the rim with the help of contact cement. Taking a 24-inch PVC pipe for the handle. Marking 4 inch from the top and the bottom side. Applying hot air on top of the PVC pipe to make it flat. Covering PVC handle with 4 mm EVA foam strip in spiral form. Joining them together at the middle on the backside of the shield. Adding 1:12 dimension EVA foam strip on the backside. Heat sealing of the backside. Mixing brown acrylic color with synthetic glue. Applying mixture as a primer and letting it dry. Here is the shield after multiple coats of synthetic glue. Using chocolate brown spray paint color on the base. Using dark sky blue color on the half side of the shield, just do it roughly. Using white color on the other half of the shield. Applying silver color on the rest of the parts. I took the printout of the Raven design and cover it with PVC tape. Cut out internal parts. Here the Raven stencil is ready. Pressing on the shield. Coloring the traced design with the black color. The shield is almost ready. Coloring with the light brown color for a realistic rusty look. Here the Raven clan shield is ready.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video as I love to make this prop. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, share with your friends, press the like button, and don't forget to share your valuable feedback in the comments. Till that, bye bye.